Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into SoundCloud on iPhone and Android in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the SoundCloud app. First, open the SoundCloud app on your phone and make sure you are connected to internet. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the welcome screen, tap sign in or login in. Step 3. Choose a login method. You can log in using email address and password, Google account, Apple ID. If using email, enter your registered email. Then tap on next, then enter your password, then again tap on next. Step 4. Complete verification if asked. Enter the verification code if SoundCloud request one. This helps keep your account secure. Step 5. Access your account. Once logged in, you will see the home screen. You can now stream music, follow artists and save playlist. If you forgot password, tap forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. And that's how to log in into SoundCloud on iPhone and Android. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.